She grew up in a house where the floor never felt steady, where the wind in her chest said run when you're ready. Every day felt like warning sirens, humming low inside her bones, a life that kept on spinning. Even when she stood alone, she learned to hold her breath when the walls began to sway. A little girl trying to stand still in a world that blew away. 'Cause her life's been a tornado, wild and tearing through, picking up the pieces she never meant to lose. She's walked through every storm with shaking hands and open eyes. A tornado girl, still learning how to rise. She learned to read the silence like a storm cloud in a room, learned to brace for impact long before she bloomed. She carried all the memories that the wind refused to spare, but somehow kept her heart intact in all that twisting air. And even when the world tried to scatter her apart, she held on to the fragile little beating of her heart. 'Cause her life's been a tornado, wild and tearing through, picking up the pieces she never meant to lose. We walked through every storm with shaking hands and open eyes. A tornado girl, still learning how to ride. Yeah. She's more than what she weathered, more than what she sings. She's the calm inside the chaos, she's the strength between the screams. And though the past still echoes like thunder,